These sheets of finely cut and milled metal are aircraft skin. With the latest machine tools, precision tolerance can be narrowed from plus or minus zero point 0.5 millimeter down to zero point 0.1, matching the world's highest standard in this field. This local firm is the third company worldwide that makes machine tools capable of this, and is the first in China to produce a 5-axis production line and a self-reliant aircraft assembly line. These machine tools can help Chinese factories break the tech blockade imposed by developed countries. In the past 10 years, the company has invested 500 million yuan in R&D. More than half of its employees are in the research department.
Our manufacturing equipment sells for more than 10 million yuan apiece, and we take on great R&D risks. The government gives us subsidies that come at a percentage to the order value of each of our breakthrough products.
Shanghai's plan through 2025 calls for breakthroughs in 300 key parts and 150 key engineering materials. In 5 years, the city will develop 10 large-scale software systems essential to manufacturing.
We will select the best plan and team to help businesses make these breakthroughs and overcome weaknesses. We will give support to attract the best talents so that they settle in Shanghai.
Government officials also envision a new industrial layout with chip making, biomedicine, and AI as the pillars, and 6 other industries including healthcare, automobiles, and advanced materials as flanks. The level of digitalization in factories will be brought to a new level. 苏思琪，上海 Live。